Hey guys, today I show how to mine rock. For that, at first we need go to Play Store. Then go to search option and write down Rock Online DBPN. Rock Online DBPN. This is Rock Online VPN app. Install this app and wait for download app. Then open. Then open this app. Click on allow option. Connection request okay. Then register an account. First, you need a Gmail account. In the first section, you give your Gmail. First section, give your Gmail. Second and third, give an unique password and confirm the password. Third option section. Then click register button. Then click on check mark button. Then click registration. You copy your recovery phrase and hex phrase. This phrase need for next time login, so it is sufficient for your account. You can take a screenshot for security. If you want to login next time, you need this. Check mark the box, then continue. It's a tutorial of this app. Complete the tutorial and then wait for loading. It's need sometimes. Now you can see your mining active. Mining token will be added to wallet every minute. You can see a message that show you earn rock. Here you can see second method of earning rock. Go to Telegram, then search Select Online Clicker Bot. Open the bot. This this point you can see this point will convert it to rock in future. In every 3 hours, when battery will be filled, you collect point. You can earn point in earn section. Daily login and complete task and earn point. And also you can earn complete task and claim point. You can earn token from battle option. In wallet you can see your token, green token, rock token and other token. Go to Reconcile DBPN app. In wallet option you can see your mining transaction and mining reward. This app secure your device and protect your data. Reconcile gives you 100% security of your data.